Hello, beautiful people. Happy weekend. Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, facing us right now is a little challenge that we have to peruse. The area of a square plot is 484 meters square. Find the length of each one side and the length of each one diagonal. Now, talking about a square, one of the property of a square is that all of its sides are equal. Okay, they now said one diagonal line. All right, so all of its sides are equal. Now the diagonal line divides the square into two triangles. So this is the diagonal line. Let us call it D. Divide the square into two triangles. So now they say that the area of the square, the area is equal to 484 meters square. So without wasting time, in place of area we'll write 484 equal to, we know that area of a square is length times length, so let's say length square. All right, so immediately we look for the one side, and to do that we'll say that the length will be equal to the square root of both sides, which means that we'll now have the square of this length to cancel out. So it will now be the square root of 484. And when we take the square root of 484, we are going to have 22. So it means that it will be 22 meters for each side of the square. A square has 4 sides. All right, let us now look for the diagonal of the one diagonal of the square. So let us redraw our square. Let us redraw it. So here, this is the diagonal line. Let's call it D, and this 22, this 22. Okay, let's call each of the lengths 22. All right, what we are going to do now is this diagonal line divides this square into two triangles. And if you look at here now, here is a right angled triangle. All right, now this side of it is 22. So as it is right now, we are going to apply Pythagoras theory to be able to get our diagonals line. So it will now be the square of the diagonal equal to 22 square plus 22 square. All right, 22 square. What is 22 square? 22 square is 484. So let's take the square root of both sides so that we will cancel the square that is attached to the diagonal. All right, so 484 plus 484, this will give us 968. So we see the square root of 968. All right, now if we take the square root of 968, we are going to get 31.05 as our diameter, which will also be in meter. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to follow the page. Bye bye.